There's a lot of argument right now in the WordPress community about Bricks Builder. A lot of people have argued that it is the best page builder right now. And personally, I even know a lot of friends who have ditched other page builder just to work with Bricks Builder right now. Without mincing words, Bricks Builder have come to stay, and there's nothing we have to do about it. We have to just come to terms with the fact that this plugin is here. It is changing the game. It is changing the way things are done, and we have to start working with it. If you are a UI UX designer, I want to show you a little simple easy trick that will change the game for you if you are looking into implementing Bricks Builder into your design process. So if you use Figma, you design your website in Figma, or you design wireframes in Figma, and you want to easily convert your Figma designs into WordPress, then I think you should consider Bricks. There is a plugin in the Figma community right now that will literally help you just convert your Figma designs into Bricks Builder. How super cool is that? So right now, I've done some few tutorials that shows you how you can just bring your Figma designs into Elementor, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to do that into Bricks. Without wasting so much of your time, let me just show you how you can get this done with a few clicks of a button here and there. So let's come to Figma. So in Figma here, we can just come to our plugins, and then we can come to UI Chemie. So you can see I have two of them here. UI Chemie, one would help you convert Figma designs to Elementor like I mentioned, and the other one will help you convert this to Bricks. So right now it says there are no design here. I don't have any design here, but the good thing about this plugin is that we can just easily pick some template from this plugin, and we can just scroll down here and just find any random template here. Let me just look for any random. Let's just pick this, something very random that we can just use as a template. So this is it. So now let me just drag this away, and so you can see here, just simple, plain, easy design here, nothing complex, super simple. Let's just see how we can bring this Figma design into Bricks. So right now we can bring this plugin here, and we can just come to convert, and then we have this frame here highlighted because it is page. The name of the frame mustn't be page, it can be renamed, but this is the default name, so we're going to leave this as is. And then once we come down here, we can see that we can export this to Bricks. We can also export it to Elementor, and Gutenberg is coming. I'm really super waiting on this to see what we can do with Gutenberg with this fantastic plugin. And then I would just hit convert to Bricks, and then I would agree to the terms, and then I will convert this to Bricks. Just with the click of a button, this is done, and then I will download this JSON file, and that's literally everything we need to do to convert our Figma designs to Bricks. So now let's come back to a website here. I just have a test page here. So what we can do to bring this design into Bricks here is just to come to our template. So right now here, what we want to do is to bring in our template here. But before we do that, we want to make sure that we turn on import images. This is very good, because if we don't turn this on, we will miss out on the images. And then we just need to come here and just come to import template, and now we can drag our JSON file into Bricks Builder. And then I can come down here, I can just easily just drag this here. This is super cool, template imported. How easy and cool is this? We just need to hit the insert button. Just like that, we have this Figma design inside of Bricks. This is amazing. So let's just preview this. Amazing, right? Super amazing, super impressive. This is a fantastic plugin that would help you improve your design process, that will help you improve your design workflow, so you can take your time, do your designs inside of Figma, and then you can just easily use this plugin to just clone this design and then export it into your Bricks Builder in WordPress. This same plugin also does magic with Elementor. So in case you are not even really into Bricks, you want to experiment with Elementor, you can check out this plugin. I have the link to this plugin in the video description. This plugin has a free version, it also has a pro version. There is So I can come down here, let's view their website so that we can see more about their pricing. So if you come down here, so you can get started with this. As you can see here, it's free. However, I think there are some limitations to what you can do with the free version, but also I think I need to look for there is currently an early bird offer that's ongoing for you to get this plugin for a lifetime for 1.99, and trust me, this is an amazing deal. You want to jump on this deal as much as possible as you can. I have taken advantage of this early bird offer, so I have a lifetime access to this plugin, and this is very, very, very fantastic. So I think you should give this plugin a try. You can try with the free if you're very skeptical to see what this plugin can do for you, and then you can invest in it if you are okay with their service. You can check the video description for you to see a link to come to UI Academy to check this out. Thank you for watching, and that's my time. If this video has been super helpful, give me a thumbs up as usual. Let me know your experience using this plugin in the video description. I'll look out to hearing from you, and subscribe to see more awesome videos like this from me. I would see you in another video, and until then, have a nice time.